Torrential slide value equivalent to $14.0200 a coin. In spite of mainstream thinking, the present range, $12.8900. $14.0700. The earlier day close, $13.0200. The change basically was plus 1.0000, plus 7.68% in a significant way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $13.02 in an unobtrusive manner. Greatest cost $14.65. Certainly least cost $11.56 amazingly. The very normal for the month $13.07 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.03. Change for July 0.1% in every practical sense, significant way. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. First and foremost, cost at $13.03. Greatest cost $16.02. Truly least cost $11.74. Or so they thought. The normal for the month $13.46, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $13.04. Change for August 0.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Before all else, cost at $13.04. Most extreme cost $13.04. Fundamentally least cost $11.19. The truly normal for the month $12.33 amazingly. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $12.03. Change for September 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Or so they truly thought. In the first place, cost at $12.03 in an exceptionally huge manner. Most extreme cost $12.03. Least cost $9.40. The especially normal for the month $10.89 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $10.11. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Or so they really thought. Initially cost at $10.11. Most extreme cost $10.44. Least cost $9.08. Which certainly is genuinely critical. The truly normal for the month $9.85 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $9.76. Change for November 3.5%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In spite of mainstream thinking. First and foremost, cost at $9.76. Or so they especially thought. Greatest cost $10.85. For the most part, least cost $9.43 in a kind of significant manner. The normal for the month $10.05. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.14. Change for December 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At the outset, cost at $10.14. Most extreme cost $10.14. All things considered, least cost $8.17. Which is very critical. The normal for the month $9.31 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.79. Change for January 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024 in an unpretentious manner. First and foremost, cost at $8.79 in a genuinely enormous manner. Most extreme cost $10.91. Least cost $8.79. The really normal for the month $9.67. Or so they thought. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $10.20. Change for February 16.0% in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation for WOC 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner. First and foremost, cost at $10.20 in an unpretentious manner. Greatest cost $10.20. Lovely least cost $7.97. The normal for the month $9.24. Which is very huge. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $8.57. Change for spring 16.0%. which is genuinely critical. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024 in a huge manner. At the outset cost at $8.57, which is genuinely huge. Greatest cost $8.57. Beautiful least cost $6.70. The for the most part normal for the month $7.76, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $7.20, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at $7.20. Greatest cost $8.63. Lovely least cost $7.20. The normal for the month $7.78. Or so they thought. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.07, change from May 12.1%, which is very huge. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024, which certainly is very huge. To start with cost at $8.07. Greatest cost $8.07, kind of least cost $6.74. The normal for the month $7.53. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.25, change for June 10.2%, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024, which is genuinely huge. To start with cost at $7.25. Most extreme cost $7.25. Least cost $5.66. The genuinely normal for the month $6.56. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.09. Change for July 16.0% in a huge manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2025, which is very critical. In the first place cost at $6.07. Greatest cost $7.35. Least cost $6.07. Or so they thought. The normal for the month $6.59. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.87. Change for August 13.2%. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale equivalent to 0.0713 torrential slides per $1. Today's reach 0.0711 0.0776 in a significant way. The past day's nearby 0.0768. Change for now 0.0055. 7.16%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for July 2023, which is very critical. To start with cost at 0.077 torrential slides in a kind of significant manner. Greatest cost 0.087, genuinely least 0.068. Or so they sort of thought. The normal for the month 0.077. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.077. Change for July 0.0%, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide gauge for August 2023 in a sort of significant